The bill repeat routine has been a really popular parlor effect, but it has lacked one thing, a perfect ending that can truly surprise your audience. Hurricane by KimTung is about to change all that.
唔再要8蚊紙我哋一齊嚟，勁啊！但係我覺得咁樣都係太慢啦。今時今日嘅我覺得要快啲。係啦，哇！我將呢100蚊紙一次過變晒做1000蚊紙啊！哇！
But there's more. Hurricane is also an extremely versatile gimmick, allowing you to change almost anything into an instant explosion of bills. As a great promotional tool, you can also change your client's poster and leaflets into coupons and vouchers. A true worker's props for trade shows and commercial events, combining solid magic with promotional outcomes.